This is for Right, Mala. No, it's not me. Why? We have a follower. Follow. Fine, it's okay. I don't like it. We can call me wrong because so piggy, like that. As you made it for one time. Yes, but can we please talk to you before Sfundo comes in? It is time for Sfundo right now.
Yeah.
But can we please talk to you firstly before Sfundo comes in?
Talk fast.
Like, we were here to ask you, is there any just, it's too much for us to do exam and the practical. We are pleased in this case.
I can't change it. I cannot change it because half of you can't come on Monday. We cannot change it.
Okay. Can you do one thing? It's either we dance or it's either we write down. Between the two.
Just between the two, can you please do a favor for us? Just choose one, because now...
Choose one?
Yes.
Impossible.
No. No. We've had to prepare for this now for weeks. No.
We are not prepared.
Your written exam is super easy.
But the problem is now, if the strap is combined with 4 modules, right? Like book, research, then write an essay.
Okay.
Yes, then it was needed that a class test. Now we have to perform. Then another exam.
8 assignments.
8 assignments. After 8
How
assignments.
are you guys going to cope with life if you cannot cope with the little that we are throwing at you?
No, it's not little.
It is a little. It is very small what we are throwing at you.
But madam, for 25%, all these things, 8 assignment, class test, exam,
That's
plus
got nothing to do
practical.
with me. I'm here for stagecraft. I am giving you that knowledge and now I am testing you on that knowledge. No, I'm sorry.
Okay,
No, you could have spoken much earlier, but you don't ask me on the day. We cannot help you.
Okay, guys. Here's the thing, guys. The biggest mistake that you did is that you stopped an exam that is, it's in progress, and then you stopped that to discuss something that was never planned. Was never planned. You just came in and stopped that.
No,
Didn't you just thought of
we did not
waiting
stop.
until
Yeah,
there's a break,
Yeah, cool.
and ask for a break so that you can talk about this. Yes.
Okay, sir. I-exam angithi bingo-1 o'clock isikhathi. To isikhathi esingakanani? Ngicela ukubuza nje lokho ukuthi angithi bingo-1 o'clock and then masiphela ngasikhathi seni.
Exam was starting at
Sekuokunye-ke uthe ugogo i-exam ingo-1 o'clock lesi oku-1 njengamanje.
No, the exam that was supposed to the whole exam is supposed to start at 10, and then now we didn't do it. We had to postpone that to 1 o'clock. Is that what happened?
Yes.
Because you guys, you just say you were not ready for that, and then you didn't know about it. And the messages have been
Like, so as
we didn't know about the exam.
Wait for me. Let me say. And I've seen the messages. They come to me. When messages are being sent, they come to me. I see all the messages for the stagecraft. Each and every message. So message have been posted. Probably 2 weeks ago. From 2 weeks messages. 2 weeks ago, message has been sent. They have been sent. So I know about that.
Kodwa thisha yazi sinesipile thisha. Ingoba kunama-list. Sayitshela ukuthi thina ababhala abenza ngo-Friday bazobhala i-exam ngo-Friday. Abenza ngoMsombuluko bazokwenza i-exam ukuthi ngoMsombuluko. Bese manje sonke sizenza kanjani i-exam then masixhukana ey'khathi zokudansa. Besitshela ukuthi njengoba sibethele phandle ngazi ukuthi ngoMsombuluko ne-exam stagecraft then masiyadanta. Angiyitshela ukuthi ngihlale kufanele ngenze i-exam ngoba ngazi kunabantu abadansa namhlanje. Mina ngenza i-exam ngoMsombuluko. Just the exam in exam,
Yeah, but now you.
That's why this is
Okay. Do you realize where the information you lost the information, because this is on the only form of communication that your teacher sends the message, and then your part is to check your messages. But if you don't do that, then there's no other way of getting hold of you. There is no other way, because you have other classes, you have other exams. This is the only way of communication, is to send a message. If you don't check that, then because this is what makes the whole confusion, this become a whole confusion. Because you could have come way before and said, yes, we are confused, we are not sure what you are asking us. And then she could have explained to you. But now you want it to be explained on the day of the exam, because Nina, you just didn't check your message. I think that's you should admit that was your mistake right there. If we can clear that out, that was your mistake right
It
there.
was our mistake and saying we are apologize for this. Now we are asking for a favor. Since
We can't change it because half of people talk on Monday.
we can,
Sesobhala ngasikhathi sini-ke manje.
on Monday,
We have got
we can.
messages there saying, I cannot do my exam on Monday because I'm already gone. No.
Who? Bouncers could win.
Go back on the group and have a look. Number one, we say assignments, you've got 8 assignments. Each week you came to class, you were given an assignment the following week. I had to beg most of you for your assignments a few days ago because you hadn't bothered to send them. No. You guys have got to learn. You have to do things properly. You cannot force everything into 1 or 2 days. We have given you 8 weeks to do an assignment. 1 assignment per week. That's not a lot. That's very little.
And today, this was showing me the changes that you've been doing all the time, just for the exam. And then the others, they say, oh, I'm choosing this day. And then suddenly you change it, and you say you're doing that other day. You change again, you're doing another day. You know, it kept on doing that. And how can she go ahead and plan your exam if you keep on doing that? It's you know, you change too much. The last change was today. The last change was today.
What time? Isikhathi sihambile inkinga. Ngiyoperforma mina ngo-time.
Well, the exam is today.
What time?
The exam you changed it to what?
To 1 o'clock. Kuyosha u-2 njengamanje.
So now, Nina, you are here.
Okay, now what's the
Yabo ukuthi Monday uyafinalize ukuthi bekumele siyenze ngawo lento. Kahle kahle.
16th of October. I sent out something. You can do your exams on which day? Okay? 3 people took the time to answer. 3.
You see, all the messages are being sent to you guys, but you don't respond.
For your exam on the 21st of October.
And this is something that it's there. She's ready, it's there, but you are just you are just trying your luck in everywhere where you go, but it's there.
Sunday was the first timetable I drew up.
And
And
nobody
I
saw
said,
that.
confirm. Well, a few people said, I'm not going to be here on Friday, can I move to Monday? I'm not going to be here Monday, can you move me to Friday? Which I did. And now it keeps on happening. Oh, I can't do it, I'm not going to be here.
And then you guys, you do not have time now to even wait for the people now who are still awake, because we are trying to run the exams as fast as we can. Now you have some other business that you, and it was changed because of you guys. So you just do not have time for anything. It must happen at that time, because you can't give anything, but we must give so much. I think you're gonna have to rethink about this. We're gonna have to work together in making this possible. If things were done, if you didn't change everything, you could have got it in your time, in the time that you needed to write your exam or doing that. We could have done it, but you have to come in and then things must be done, even if there's some. Yeah, but not, you know.
Like, I want them to make use of all the song and so on to the phone of this no problem so good. All of a sudden, it was said, sit up and home. This all but Nanbutu. Okay, but
the message it was sent long time ago.
I don't know the way the president as an
but now you decide to discuss it today and the different exam. The way the day that and then you understand now, Uti, as much as we are running late, you've stopped another person's time who's supposed to be having an exam. You stopped that now.
We're trying to take the half an hour that we put aside for your exam. We're trying to squash it in to the time that you're all supposed to be doing your exam. We're really trying to help you, but you're not listening. You don't.
Thank you so much.
There was a question. Why not responding to that question?
That's it.
She's asking a question. You don't understand.
I understand now. She's saying a question.
Which other time did you say that?
I said we took the half an hour and we squashed it in now to try and accommodate everybody.
So now,
So you've got to understand we're running super late, but it's not our fault. We are doing the best we can to try and accommodate you. And
what we can tell you now is that just wait for this few. How many
we're
left?
just going to do a fundo now and we can push there and then we're going to go.
And then after that, you can. There's 2 people. Just wait for that.
Umuntu ka grade 7. Umuntu nje uka grade 7. Hayibo. Mina lapho kusasa 11:30 to 11:45. Yebo, unokuthi siyabhala. Ubalo thosele u-student oba. Ndaba kuthiwa kuselani lethu? Wephi? Shithi nophum shithi sobhala kuyoshawa 14. Shithi sobhala kuyoshawa 4. Awungenile ngani? Hamba phela sifuna ukungena. Hawu. Angazi ngangiyaphi ngiyayisoda. Cha, hayibo. Hey, tazofeyila wena nje wathi ukhuluma akho lapha. Ngitshela. Ugogo akasakufuni.
Ungamshayekela.
Azanyanya. Ayikho into echazwayo, ayikho sembele. Le echazwayo. Akiwaphi? Hayibo wena indoda wena. Akithi uyabhala wena. Shuthi uzothola 0. Ngingiyezela amapena. Hawe ma ungangitshela nto. Ngwashiya kule yandlu utshela. Iwo ngizaya kolithatha. Sezihliwa impungune.
Idatha kusangathi nje. Ufika uphinde wahamba shothi yamshaya lento le. Yamshaya lento waphinde
Man ngiyabuya. Ngisalike futhi. Cha inkinga le ndaba uzobe. Uyene. Bese sembuweni ugogo uyangena yena.
Wangitshengisa isho kwathapha wathi buka ngempela.
Ngiyamtshela ukuthi haya usicabangela.
Lokho inamba nayo wablokho wadinga
Bese nayo isho number WhatsApp.
hawo. Lokho zange bese ngathi TikTok. Now yona yanifani. Ngikubona nje conversation. Uthi kwanye muthi uzokusendela conversation yazi. Uzokusendela conversation. Girl. Yena uja nguye obingelele futhi umfana ke umfana obingelele. Mina ngazi. Akayivezi le esekugcineni ivezele nayo umbale sesipheli. Akayivezi le la ibhala. Hayi ngeke
Hey yabona nje udeza bafethu azongiphihlizela nje.
Indaba sabda sihambe sonke.
Nesikhathi buka nje isikhathi ngaphela kuthiwa i-exam 1. Njalo abantu bebaningi kanje sizobhala ngo4 kuya ko5. Angeke. Le degree engahlelekile kanje ngathi sifunda ugrade 7 nje. Zonke izinto sizizwa namhlanje. Hawo.
Hello, my sweet. Hello.
Ngoba esihamba futhi ezinye inkinga lezo.
Nawo nje bese soda sihamba sesingakhuluma ngalutho. Awuse sisakhuluma nje ngosikhuluma nazo.
Vele.
Zanyanya. Papa ingeke.
Osile usakho dukela pha manje lefoni yakho.
Gift please ubuke live makazile la ku stage car. Nang.
Isixakanisekile la wena ubisi ubuka no live. Ngeke ngibo wena bra.
Kokwakho usenza insangu la.
Uyahleka.
Siphenduka amanapukeni. Wow, so I thinking game. Again. Because I can when we are bad
Monday, Baba. Monday, then Monday we are performer. So request was in the echo now, so I'm seeing so
Hayi bomfethu kanjani manje nenzeka kanjani enjalo mfethu?
Khuluma phela.
Yenzeka kanjani lo nto leyo mfethu ayibakwazi phela.
Akubhalwa manje kuyadantswa kuphela.
Akwazi. Hayi bomfethu wena wathi thina nje sizoyihlukanisa kube khona
khona manje group ne stage craft abenze group ni zobona. Kuyimanje sonyaka kade sesovusa into. Kade sesovusa into ngale office nento mkhanazo asibhayi.
Hayi ngewahafa. Akwazi mfethu ngeke. Siza sikhanseleni ngeflyback. Singayibhala sikhanseleni. Singayibhala sikhanseleni singayibhala.
Dala ngathi shayla dala ngathi. Abanye kade wabenze stage banoliza abantu abathele Lesilokhala esintazile. Ngena sikhathini senze.
Mina ngiphinda ngokuthula abantu ngibamfene nesibali.
Yabona nje.
Yina nje lokugibela.
Zama ukusilwela Nkosi.
Imilomo ngolale qom. Nganga. Ngalethi ana. Sengishile Haugela umoya. Haugela. Nalethi yini uphefo. Kanjani?
Fast. Akwenziwa njalo phela phela
Nempefo noma ngathi kulo wami maqalisela
yebo ngicela kanjalo
yetho
eyona wethu guys
ifuna la idoda bakhona isemsebenzini nje inkingi leyo
siyahamba kodwa imali lami bese futhi kuba ukuthi mhlawumbe kube wesi sisile kokunye
wena ngaze impela kube emsebenzini
first job
Mina mfandi chazela next year
hayi kamele sihlale phansi sichazele ngempela ngedegree
ngempela fana siqala indaba
siyaphela guys akwazi hayi angasikhathi sakudlala phela